morning. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Benice. It's really early in the morning. This is actually a different video from the content that I usually post. I usually post videos about my lock journey, self-care, and fashion. I haven't even done that yet, but that's coming soon. But today the video is going to be about my fitness journey. I asked the question on Instagram the other day how many of you guys would like to see a vlog about me doing my fitness journey, and you guys said you would be interested and you would watch it. So here I am today. So yeah, it's Friday morning, getting ready to go to the gym. 5 o'clock in the morning. This is my third day. This is my third day, so let's get it together. Let's go. All right, so today we're gonna be doing legs and back. So when I do my legs and I'm going really hard in the gym, I do pre-workout. So I'm doing a pre-workout. This is the C4 Sport pre-workout, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shot of it. I take a shot and then I chase it with water. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my shot. You need to believe in all that is true. The sooner the better. You need to believe in all that is right. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going. Get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better. My goal is to get to the gym by 5:30, like be at the gym by 5:30. Right now 5:11, so perfect timing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail, get it together, and y'all see my locks? I'm gonna do a video on my locks. I promise. It's like 5 months. Oh crap, yo, today makes 5 months, and we definitely gonna go in today to my hair. Okay, we gonna celebrate with a great workout. I think that pre-workout kicking in, y'all. When you take it like that, it kicks in faster, so. I'm not bringing my camera with me. I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone. So I'm gonna see y'all in the car, okay? We gonna get this workout on, and plus it's 5 months in on this hair, so we gonna do what it do, babe. 5:22, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, y'all, so I'm in the car. Oh God, got my headphones on. I should not have my headphones on because I remember my friend telling me she had got a ticket for having her headphones on. I know y'all can't see me right now. It's really dark outside, clearly, because it is 5:30. I should have been at the gym. Like, I promise you, getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning to work out takes a different type of motivation, because I feel like there's always going to be something that tries to make you feel like this is not your norm, go back to sleep. You know, it's just going to be something like but anyways, you got to get up and you gotta push yourself. It's definitely a disciplinary action. Let me stop, not disciplinary action. It's definitely a mind over matter type of thing. Got my wipers on because it's foggy, but I'm gonna just put the front one because I need to get these glasses. Got my water nice and cold in the car, y'all. All right, one more thing, guys. So I've been whenever I've been going to the gym, I always drive. I have my little shortcut that I be driving through. I should not be doing it because it's probably not safe, especially when it's so dark outside. I don't know, you gotta be very careful, especially when you're going to the gym early in the morning or even late at night. You gotta be very careful of your surroundings, but I ain't gonna do it because if I'm saying all of this and I'm saying I'm still gonna do it, that's just totally careless and irresponsible, you know? Rambling.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do,
Alright guys, that was it for today's workout. I actually did not do back because I didn't realize how intense leg day can be. And maybe if I would have been in the gym for 2 hours, I would have been able to do back. But if I could have continued on the legs, I would have kept going. Like, leg day is supposed to be intense. It is intense. I literally spent the whole hour doing leg day, or at least 45 minutes doing legs. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. I'm on my way home. This was dope, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout, the vlog. If you want to see more vlogs like this, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted the next time I post my vlog on my fitness journey. This is just the beginning, guys. This is goals, and you know, you gotta stay focused, you gotta stay determined and motivated. And let me turn this down. Yeah, I'm so excited and I'm proud of me. You know, you want to leave the gym or finish your workout feeling proud of yourself, proud of you. And for the last 3 days, I've been proud of me, and it's felt so good because I literally told myself I'm gonna do this, and I'm doing it. You know, today's Friday, so the real challenge is gonna be the weekend. I'm gonna try to do something active this weekend. I don't know if it's, even if it's just going for a walk, I'm gonna do that because I want to keep the momentum until Monday. I don't think I'm hitting the gym again until Monday because I need to give my muscles a break. Let it rest, and it's very important to let your muscles rest so that it can build back up and be ready for your next workout. Until next time, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay fit, and whatever it is, do something that yourself tomorrow will be proud of. Okay? All right. Mwah.
Ain't nobody love you like I